Apple introduces its first augmented reality headset. American tech giant Apple unveiled its first augmented reality headset Vision Pro at its 2023 Worldwide Developers Conference. This revolutionary product combines cutting-edge technology with the sleek and compact design, delivering an unparalleled experience whenever you wear it. Users can browse rows of app icons with their eyes, hands, and voice. The innovative device features a spatial operating system, Vision OS, and a brand new three-dimensional interface that makes users feel that they are physically present in their space while interacting with digital content. Users can transform their spaces into their own personal theater with Apple Vision Pro's two ultra-high resolution displays, 23 million pixels. They can also watch 3D movies with an advanced spatial audio system on the screen that feels 100 feet wide. The headset comes with a revolutionary operating system that delivers powerful spatial experience to users. The Vision Pro AR headset comes at a cost of $3,499 and will be available for sale from early next year. When operating on its external battery, Vision Pro supports a maximum usage time of 2 hours, but when connected to a power source, it can be used the whole day.